traveling at an altitude of 40,000 feet with an average ground speed of 465 miles an hour and covering a distance of 1,460 miles in 3 hours and 25 minutes. From the islands of the Fijian warrior to this land of the haka and the long white cloud. From Fiji rugby's fields of dreams to the playing fields of the mighty All Blacks, sometimes laced with a touch of Fijian flair. And from Nisambula to Kiora, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wellington. We're now approaching the terminal, and it is for your safety that you remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign above you is switched off. Do check your seat pockets and overhead lockers for all your personal belongings, and take extra care when opening, as some of these items may have moved during the course of the flight. For any further travel arrangements, Fiji Airways invite you to visit our website at fijiairways.com.